Look what I found walking through the woods. I wonder what this machine is and why they left it. If you actually find out what this thing is, I think it's a combine, but if you search it up, tell me what it is in the comments. This is a weird machine. The thing is, when you look up front, it doesn't have a third header, like a third blade. See? It has one blade. Well, there's supposed to be one right there, and one probably right there. It's supposed to probably go up that chute and make corn. But I'm just walking around, it's all this. And then if I go this way, there's this thingy right here. I don't know what it's called, but it's like stuff coming out of it. I can't tell what it is, but birds and bugs are living in it. And if I go over this way, go right here, go from this patch of stuff, and then I go over here, there's a patch of water. See? Water. I can't help the glare, but there's water right here. Well, there's water, patch of water. See? Some water, but there's nothing in it. And I walk this way. There's more stuff. There's a fence right here. I'm not trespassing, by the way. I'm just looking around in the woods. This is all public land. There's a puddle there. And some leaves, some trees. And that's pretty much it. And then go this way. Oh, there's a pretty white flower. Oh, man, found it. In the camera. Oh, there's it. See that pretty white flower? Then there's a purple flower. Oh, well, I almost got stung by a bumblebee. That was gonna be fun. And we also do another bumblebees. Okay, I can take another step right here. And there's some flowers. I'm just gonna go the other way, because I'm not gonna get a chance to be stung by a bee. They're not fun to be stung by. And this way. This is getting kind of fun. Ah! I'm good. I'm just gonna walk through here. There's a vine. And some stuff. I've not found anything cool yet. I'm gonna make another video if I can. If I find something else that's interesting, or I'll just pause this video and show something else. And I found a mushroom, log, nothing else that's cool. Some marsh. Just lost my whole family. I don't know where they went. I'm lost, very lost. I've never been in this woods before. And I would show you the other woods, but by the time I started making YouTube videos, I haven't been there since. Oh, found them again. Okay, I just gotta go this way. Over this tree. I wanted this to make a YouTube tour, but it's too long now, so I'm just gonna have to make this a video. Hoping that I don't step on a bee while I'm trying to make a nice video. I am walking through some marsh. I can't speak. Swinging at stuff. It's fun. Got a sword. stuff I knocked down. Got some trees to walk over. I think I got some deer prints right there. I might pause this video and come back with something else that's interesting. Some more stuff. Are you thinking what I'm thinking? What does that look like? I think it looks like slingshot. I don't know what you were singing, but I was singing slingshot. Whew. Bees are scary. Hi, bumblebee. Yeah, I'm scared of bees. I just don't like being stung. Oh, dude, by the way, you can actually pet bumblebees, but you just gotta be very safe about it. If you make them mad, they're gonna sting you. It's not being fun by stinging by those, from what I've heard. But, see you back when I find another interesting thing. Look what else I found. I found some deserted stuff. Send this to your friends that like to explore. So I'm finding all sorts of stuff. In the wire. There. This might be for the corn thing that we just saw. Some more scrap metal. There. Oh, there's some more stuff over there. There's a groundhog hole. There's some more scrap metal over here. Let's see what it is. This looks like a truck bed. From what it looks like. An old truck bed. Here's some more stuff. See? This actually grew with a tree. That's another piece of scrap metal. See? I wonder what it is actually. I can't tell what that is, but it's probably something. You guys actually, if it actually shows upside down, tell me what it is, because I don't know. I'm not that big on farm equipment. There's more stuff in there. That's pretty much it for that. I'm not in. Oh, there's more scrap metal. There's like tires over here. And there's some old metal tires and stuff. Metal. And some stuff. Okay. I found a deer track right here. I hate how the shadow takes it up, but there's a deer track. There might be a family of deer running through here. Nice hunting spot. If you end up finding these kind of mushrooms, these are poisonous. You don't want to eat those. Flower. There's a yellow flower right there.